Catch us every Monday at 9 a.m. on YouTube and on autotrader.co.za.
Reduce your insurance premium.
10 ways. AutoTrader has very extensive articles on insurance and basically getting your premiums down. So one of our lovely journalists has actually worked on...
Where do we find that? News and reviews?
News and reviews. You'll find everything there. Just or just Google AutoTrader and insurance. You'll definitely find it there. But 10 quick ways. Vehicle choice. So one of the greatest contributors in reducing your premium. The car that you have, naturally it makes sense. If it's more expensive car, it's gonna have a higher premium. If it's a cheaper car, it's gonna have a less premium. Makes sense. Also your risk profile. So they don't just factor the vehicle's risk. So if it's gonna get stolen or higher theft.
Your personal risk.
Yeah.
So it's a car independent, effectively.
Exactly that.
So if you've been driving like a moron and you've had insurance claims as a result of being over the speed limit, the insurance company's going to take that into account.
Exactly. Number 3, improve your
risk
credit
profile. Risk goes up if you're younger, right?
Yes, I think mine has been changing over the years.
Yes. So as you're getting older, your insurance premium is
going
coming down because you start driving like a grandpa.
So they say. So they say. The next one is improve your credit score. So essentially just watch your debts and you'll be in a better position. Shop around and see what other options are.
It's interesting that credit score is part of that insurance premium because, it might go to, well, if you're reckless with your finances, you could be reckless in,
I think it ties back to the previous one of your risk
profile. Yeah. Exactly. Okay.
Number 5 is driver training. So a lot of people don't know this, but if you do advanced driving or some sort of course,
this is a very good one.
You can reduce your risk. Yeah,
I've heard that this can have quite a good impact on your insurance.
Definitely. Also, a few insurers have specialized products. So, for instance, we're talking about Mienie. They do have a product where you can get a dash cam. For instance, they're those sort of things that you can kind of use to your advantage.
Well, Mienie said that they don't have a discount for dash cams.
Well, Specialized, they do have for a Mienie integrated dash cam solution. So I think it's
maybe they've got a special product.
Yeah, special products or special installation, for instance, that would give you the benefits. Where are we? Number 7, vehicle safety system. So fitting any sort of tracker device, any sort of, basically anything that's going to help your claim and make sure and validate the information that you're giving them. So it's going to help. Modify your access. I'm not really sure what this is, but I think it's over time you can start modifying your plan.
Well, if you push up the risk to yourself financially, which is pushing your excess up, your premium comes down as a result of that. Because what excess does is it transfers more of the financial risk onto you.
In the scenario where you do actually have to claim.
Yes.
Okay.
Because if you've got let's say your excess is now 5% and you move it up to 10% of the value of the vehicle. Or the value of the claim, the insurer is going to give you a better premium because you're taking on more of the risk.
100%. Then one that's a fan favorite for me is definitely having multiple items buckled into one insurance. Yeah.
And then lastly,
just ask. Have a conversation.
This
be nice.
one, I can't tell you. My insurer, every single year they push my insurance premium up. And I go back to them and I say to them, nope,